Hi there, my name is Ramon. In this video I will show you 8 different ways to get Redbubble tags for your designs. I hope you enjoy it. Go! And there are many ways to get valuable tags and keywords to make your design is easily accessible and a lot of people reach it. Let's get started with number 1 from Redbubble itself. When you come to the homepage of Redbubble, you can type here in the search bar of Redbubble any keyword about your design, like coffee lover as example. Okay, and then you will see a bunch of keywords. These keywords are the most searched sentences and keyword regarding coffee designs. So you can use this keyword or this tags for your design, like coffee lover, latte, I love coffee, coffee lovers, Starbucks coffee cup, iced coffee, and etc. And the way number 2, it is another way to get keywords from Redbubble. It is by copying the tags used for the designs which are similar to yours. I will explain that to you. When you write here in search bar a keyword about your design like coffee lover, you go to the first page of results and go to the highly ranked designs as you see, and simply find out which tags are used in those designs. Like I will enter this design, okay, and find which tags are used in this design. Here these tags, so you can copy these tags and paste them in your design. But here is one thing, normally on Redbubble you can't copy these tags. I can't highlight these tags as you see, but you can do that by using a tool called Allow, Select and Copy. It is a Chrome extension. You can add it to your Google Chrome and activate it. So you go to any design and just go to these tags and highlight them and copy and paste. So you firstly copy them and go to a site called dealinfo.co, paste, which separates these keywords by commas like this, and go enter. So copy these results, copy and paste in your design. That's it. And the method number 3, it is Merch Titan's Redbubble Tag Generator. It is a well-known platform which offers many wonderful services through a paid subscription. Like you can publish your design to many print-on-demand sites like Redbubble, Spreadshirt, Merch, Amazon with one click and with no time. But it offers some free tools as well, like these tools: KDP HTML Generator, Redbubble Tag Generator, Spreadshirt Tag Generator, Etsy Tag Generator, and etc. Here we will discuss Redbubble Tag Generator. Here you can type your keyword about your design like coffee as an example. Okay, and just a few seconds and here some relevant keywords will show up like coffee, cute and funny, caffeine, tea, latte, quotes, drink, and etc. Okay, just copy each of these keywords and paste them in your design. Method number 4, by using Chrome extension called Redbubble Tag Generator, as you see. Okay, just simply type your keyword here about your design and grab tags, and either you can copy these tags and paste them in your design or import to Redbubble, which means you can import them directly to your Redbubble page of your design. And the method number 5, by using a fantastic tool called Redbubble Tag Generator. As it is an application, you can install it from Google Play and it generates really good tags for your designs. And the nice thing about this design, it also shows some useful information about the difficulty of the competition and the number of results. See in this example, okay, here results and the competition. And although it's free tool, it finds the best popular and trending tags for Redbubble works and products. And the method number 6, it is by using Pinterest to generate keywords for your designs, and I will show you how to do that. Just go to your business account on Pinterest and go to section of ads and click over here and create ad. Okay. Please do these steps as if you will make ad campaign on Pinterest. Okay, just resume. Okay, continue. Here in keywords and interest, just select add keywords. Here you can type any keyword and we will generating the most searched keyword on Pinterest, like yoga shirt, like that. This bunch of keywords will show up. Fitness shirts, fitness t-shirts, exercise shirts, workout shirts. Just choose them and copy these relevant tags and use them in your design. And the method number 7, it is by using a Pinterest keyword tool, and it is similar to the former one in generating keywords from Pinterest, but instead of going through the steps of making ad campaign like before, just type your keyword about your design here and you will see some relevant tags will show up. Okay, it is free tool, keysearch.co. And the method number 8, it is by using Google suggestions. You can type here any keyword, any long tail keyword like funny swimming, and let Google to make a suggestion to you, like funny swimming memes, like funny swimming quotes, funny swimming sayings. It is a long tail keyword. You can use them freely in your design. Okay, and it is very good long tail keyword people search for in Google and Redbubble. I hope this video will help you, and I will appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and goodbye.